Hello everyone, let's just start to study how you can handle after your invasion into the very large knight move. You know, the very large knight move invasion, actually I made already one video, though it was really wrong. Because you know, this variation is really complicated, and also it depends on the situation, with the position, your position of the stones. Now when we invade here, usually black attach here, and when white try to make the joseki, something like this, you know, we have to check this ladder this way, and black has to atari here, this ladder, something like this, then white can use it when those ladders are working. If black just try to block outside, and when we stretch here, then we can save all the stones. But the point is, if white just push and jump, black will get influence, but actually it's not really thick. So in this situation, if black wants to handle the lower side, then we should sacrifice this one stone. And then we have to connect and just give up the corner, and then we have to handle the lower side. And this is the suitable joseki. And in the future, you may even want to know the aji, whether like getting to the 3-3. And also I can't say all it depends on situation, but especially in this situation, you can just capture with the block from the upper side. If like just push here, then we can invade here. Now black can't get two eyes. Even black block here, we can just hane and connect. Yeah, it's not working. So now this is working, the move 24. If you are worried about aji, I can say you can just stretch here, can make clean 33, but of course you have to pay this one push from the black. So now, anyway, I can say this is a joseki. You can just get information first. And now this is also one of possible way. I can't say this is the best move from this situation. You can handle the lower side, but influence was not thicker than just now. And just I wanna focus about this one. When black answered here, many people likes to play with Kosumi. And because now it seems between this one stone and this one stone, the Kosumi is the vital point how we can beat this one stone. And now I have to teach you the efficient part as well. When you just play the Kosumi, black even just get into the 3-3, and you must to block here. And after we save into the corner, and white has to complete with the knight move. But the point is, between this and this exchange is not efficient for black. You know what I'm talking about? If black doesn't answer anything with the stretch, black just invaded to 3-3, and now white is gonna make the joseki, something like this, and you must make him to save into the corner. And then after this, if you just want to play the thick move, then even you can play here. But the point is, you know, black has to stretch here in order to protect here. I don't think you want to play here. Maybe this one stone can play somewhere else. Maybe you can invade here, something different. Maybe at least even you want to handle, maybe you will play something like this. Yeah, best one is just going to other places the best. Yeah, and even this one stone can just try to fight here first. Of course, you have to cover for this fighting. However, this one stone position can be better than here. So I can't say it was really efficient for white. That's the reason why we don't play this Kosumi even in the middle game or the end game, and even in the beginning. Yeah, in the beginning, actually I cannot say this strategy is a really best move, and this maybe you will have a later situation, you may have a possible to play this strategy here. But if your opponent to play here, then just I want to teach you how you can handle. So now instead of a Kosumi, you have a two option. One is protecting the corner with one space jump. Then usually this one space jump is already, this invasion was already good enough for you. In order to capture this, punish this one stone, we black need to press from the attachment. Then in the future, anytime you can save back if you think this was the big place. And if you want to get the potential, then even you can try to sacrifice from the center, then white has to capture here. And now you can handle the upper side. However, it was amazing exchange, which means you can just throw this one stone away. If black just want to capture with the Kosumi, then even you move out right now and something like this. If you capture now, your two stones are going to be captured again. So even though be complicated and you have to stretch, and when he wants to beat my group, something like this. But the point is, when you hane here, the aji will be not really clean. Cut and something like this. Yeah. So now I can't say this Kosumi is usually working. But main point is, you know, somehow this color is quite the black color right now. So when you want to press down his potential, at that time we are using this attachment. Yeah. Which means we don't really care whether we can capture this one stone or not. Yeah. If black just try to move out something like this, then you can press down. Now you can get the new potential. Then you can handle the left hand side. Now, of course, the variation is quite difficult. That's why simply that I can recommend you is just jump. Usually jump will be good enough for you. Yeah. And there are maybe if you want to fight more, then I don't really think this is really good enough for white. I want to find something better than just now. Then that I can recommend you is attach here. When you attach, black must answer, right? Yeah. And then you can try to jump out. Then this fighting will be not bad for white as well. Yeah. If black is just keep jumping, even if you want, then you can try to make the stretch one time as well. Yeah. You can just keep fight is also possible. So this is also available. Yeah. However, what I want to tell you is that if you have a Kosumi, then your white is not gonna be that efficient. Yeah, like this, because of this one stone position is a little bit strange. Yeah, that is the reason why you cannot really see this Kosumi. Even I recommend you one more move. If you don't like, just now white was very thick, because just now I really show you the which is very simple one. This attach and hane is also okay. It should be better for black as well. If white just follow the joseki and we can make tiger's mouth, then now white stepping is too slow into the corner and we can just go to the big place. Yeah. If white just follow the normal joseki, something like this, I don't think I have to save here right now. This is what white wants. But now when I capture this one stone, something like this, this was the joseki, but this one stone is very strange. Now it's too concentrated. Yeah. So even white can't make this joseki as well. So now this attach is also okay. The main point is when you want to punish this one stone, I can say you can beat this one stone with 16, but black can change back the value into the corner very easily. That is the reason why we don't use that. So if you don't want give the corner, and when he save into the corner, however, this is not going to be efficient, you can use this one space jump, and here those are using for protecting the corner, and this attach is using for getting the influence. Yeah, just like when you can use this one, or when you can use this one, you know, between those two moves are very difficult to judge. I can make the example just like when we have a just like common beginning. Actually, when I make the lecture for this invasion, I already made this in my past video. Then you can check the variation one more time. In this situation, if black is using such move, you know, now black wants to handle the lower side. You know, however, if you are just using something such move, now if black just make Kosumi, even though black cannot capture this one stone, then now still black's potential is good. You know, for example here, and black just make this tiger's mouth or just connect, here is gonna be good. So in this situation, you better to press with attachment. If black just try to save, even now this wedge is good if this ladder is working, and now you just throw it away. Yeah. Actually, I explained one time for this one. You can even protect the corner, even you can take the new potential at the left hand side. And now this one stone value got down already. So now I can say this attach is good. Yeah. Even black stretch here, you have a two option. You can just block and make the same joseki as just now, like this. Or if you want to care more the center, you can just play like that. Then black push one time, black has to try to connect. Now you made black down, and then you have to use the new potential. Now the potential is keep moving. So now in this situation, you can use this attachment, right? And if the game style is like territory style, just like here, and we just have a separate game. However, yeah, here and something like this. And then when we invade here and black stretch here, I can't say black is quite efficient. If black is handling territory, actually with this move, large knight move or this joseki was better. But now if black used a very large knight move, and when we get this invade from white, and black is very hard to answer. But normally when we have a very large knight move, the black has to use the potential. And after, when white is save into the side, the black need to use the influence. That's the reason why we are using that. But if black is using like this, now this is quite small, right? But anyway, you have this happen, then what's gonna be your next play? And make sure you shouldn't play like this. If black save into the corner, now you can see that this condition is not really okay. White doesn't have enough territory. So in this situation, I can say such kind of method is suitable. Yeah, because even black just try to play here. In the future, if you just save, now territory is everything. This potential is not really big enough for black. Yeah, so even black plays here, then when you just save here, now everything is okay for you. Yeah, so in this situation, you can just jump simply. Yeah, so that I can recommend you is here. E, F, and G as well, but actually G is a bit lower. I want to recommend you those two methods, E or F. Yeah, when you want to care about influence, then you can use the E. If you want to take care for the territory, then you can use F. You got it right? Yeah, but not the Kosumi. And okay, when you play Kosumi, and you may have a worry. Maybe black plays just move out and try to save something like this. And we must separate, of course. And then black is keep trying to save like that. Actually, this is not really good for black. Because now black can save into the corner easily. We can't cut. Now white will get in trouble. So white can just stretch here. And black can save like that. Yeah, like this. Here. But the point is that since black plays like this, now white influence is much thicker, and even the lower side is not okay. So usually we are not afraid black to save right now. We are just afraid of black to save into the corner. Yeah. So I just want to tell you about that. So it was really hard topic. Always when we have this invasion, maybe you may have a more question. Actually, I understand. Even you will feel many things will be difficult. If black plays something else, white plays something differently, then if I have a chance, then I will keep trying to make the more variation with another video. So today's focusing, it was the we have to know the reason why white shouldn't play Kosumi after black plays stretch here. Yeah. Okay, so you got it right? Yeah, so it's related with the efficient part as well. So now I trust you understand. Yeah, but if you feel a bit difficult, then you can watch 2 times or 3 times, then you will feel much comfortable. Okay, thank you very much for watching my long video. Please like and subscribe for my channel, and even please press the bell as well. Then you will see my video when I upload. Okay, thank you very much everybody. See you guys next time. Bye.